I drink so much more water when it's bubbly and slightly flavored. So I love these bubbly flavors. Now this is the mango, and all this is mango natural essence. It's supposed to give your flavor just the slightest essence of mango flavor. It has 0 calories and no sweeteners whatsoever. Now, when you open it up, you will see that it really is just this nice little glass bottle here. And this is designed for soda streams, but you can use it in any carbonated water you have. It will flavor up to 12 liters of carbonated water. And why I say it's specifically designed for SodaStream is that is the instructions they have on the side, and that it's meant to go in one of the standard 1-liter SodaStream bottles, and you would add 3/4 of a teaspoon of this to that entire bottle. But you do not have to follow that recipe exactly. You can just add this directly to your carbonated water. Let me show you. Here's a bit of carbonated water, also known as club soda. Definitely get that sweet mango essence smell when you smell the concentrate. And I'm going to put the tiniest drop of this in here. I need very, very little. So I put the tiniest drop in, and I can see that it all went to the bottom. So that's something to keep in mind, is you can't just drop this in and start drinking. You do need to stir it up. And now that it's stirred, and it tastes exactly as I expect it to, it's just really refreshing water with a slight mango essence throughout, especially right at the end. Perfect. So if you like some mango flavor in your water, I cannot recommend Bubly Mango enough.